Hi guys, I'm back, and I'm going to be doing a little swipe. Just going to try something out here. I do still have a lot of bubbles of air in my paint, which I think are pretty annoying, but we'll have to do with it. So I'm pouring with black, lamp black, Winsor & Newton. This is bronze, this is gold, and I have a nice creamy color. And we're going to do the background with black. So I'm going to pour some on. And see that we cover that with my little palette knife. So I had a really busy week. I had a training at work, how to motivate people. I didn't learn anything. I've already had that like four times, I think. I've had that training, but that's because I worked there so long. So there were some people that hadn't had the same training, so that's okay. But it sort of refreshes everything, so it's good to do. Then I had a trip to Groningen, yes. Try to see if you can say that, Groningen. Groningen is a pretty big city in Holland. It's up north. We had one of those really big meetings with a lot of managers, and they're going to do a big reorganization. It's going to be right now, like I've told you before, I'm a manager at a telecom company. Well, they're going to be putting more people in a team, but then you're going to get a coach that is going to coach on the technical part, and then the team manager coaches on more of the conversation part, if that makes sense to you. You know, how to just, make the click with the customer, make the customer happy, all that kind of stuff. So that's what they're going to do. And we're going to see what that is for me, because, of course, I don't work 40 hours anymore. I work part-time. And they might say, well, working part-time doesn't work. But we'll see what happens. So a lot of people, ask me, what do you think about it? Well, I can't be too fiddly about it, because I'm just thinking, well, if that's the path that they're choosing, that's the path they're gonna take. So, okay, got this black stuff. Now I'm gonna be swiping. I'm gonna swipe that way and that way, and I'm gonna put on some of this nice little bronze. Then I'm gonna do some gold. I sort of like it just like this. And then I'm going to be doing a nice little bit of this. Now we'll see what happens. So I have some old these are debit cards. I'm going to try and see what happens. I think I'd like a little bit of black too, but there's no silicone in the black, so I'll have to put some in here. I think I'll put some black on top. Although I really do like what's happening here, but just give it a little bit of black. Okay, let's see what happens. I don't think that's enough, but we'll see. It's kind of different from what I'm used to. Well, and I'm doing this, of course, because I'm always doing the same colors, like some of you mentioned, and that's pretty accurate because I like my turquoises. Yeah, I kind of like this. This is something different, and I might even put some something on top of this. This gives the a nice background for something golden, something bronze-like. I think I really like that, or I might just do that right now. Let me look for it. I think the bronze would look really nice, but I think the gold would look nice. Let's see if we can suck some of this stuff up. Oh, that's not going well. Let's see. Not really. That's not looking too good. I think I'll have to take the needle off. That might be better. That's better. I just might do a double swipe. That might be something. Okay. And then just swipe a little bit like that. Just to get a little bit more of that metallic going. That I like, so I'm going to avoid that bit. Yeah, that's looking kind of different. Now let's turn it around. Maybe first let it come down a bit. Okay, I think I'll leave it just like that. Maybe a little bit of gold. I'm missing, see the gold is over here and there's no gold over here, so I think I'll do just one swipe with a little bit of gold. Just to balance it out. Yeah, gold, gold, a lot of bronze. I like it like this. Don't think we want anything else than this, but I'd hang it up like that. Yeah. Okay, now I think I will add something just to make it pop a little bit more. I need this. I don't want too much of that glitter stuff, but just a little in the middle here. Oh yeah, that's looking kind of cute. Now I need something else. Now sometimes when you put glitter on, I'm not sure if you can pick that up. Yeah, see that? See the glitter? And it's all sort of bunched together. Then I go down so I see the reflection. And then I'm going to just put it in here. Just make it move a little bit. I'm gonna make it move like the paint in the background. With a really, you know, just a toothpick, that's more than enough. Just to give it a little bit of a nudge in the right way, because that's all gonna merge in together anyway. Just a little bit down here and up here. Okay. Just one more little torch to get the air bubbles out. and I'll give you a close-up in a bit. Or I might even put in a little bit of gold glitter, because now I have the bronze glitter. I think I'd like the gold glitter too, but this time I'm going to do it just a little bit different. And only in the middle. That's it. Yep. Now, if you can see that, that's going to be really nice when it's dry. So, guys, I'm going to be, I have some paint left, so I'm going to play with that. Just a minute, and I'll put this one away. Because I think, you know, otherwise it's going to be a waste. Put a little bit of this color in the middle. A little bit of bronze. And a little bit of gold. That's that. Ooh, there's a lot of gookiness going on, but I'm going to push it anyway. Oh yeah, and that brings me to something someone asked me to do, a butterfly thing. I'll do that in a bit. Oh, that looks like a butterfly. One butterfly wing. Oops. There it is. It is nice, but we'll see how that dries. I'm not going to torch that one, just to see how this dries up, because this bit looks like something I'd like to use in a pendant or something like that. Of course, this one is all gooky on the bottom, but we'll see. I think I can use that. And now I'm going to try and do a butterfly. Let's see. So I'm going to do a lot of black in the background. Now let's do it with this. Okay. I'm not sure how this is going to work. I never know. This is just playing with the rest of the paint. Oops, you can't see that when I hold it up there. So some of this bronze down here. Some of the bronze down here. A little black in the middle. We'll just call this a moth, because I think the colors are more of a moth than they are of a butterfly. Okay. So that's sort of a butterfly thing, and this is not going to go well. I'm pretty sure of it. We'll see. Ooh, I do like that. It's not a butterfly, but I do like what it's doing. Let me open it up a little bit. Make it come down. This is the fun part of using photo paper. You cannot do this with a canvas. Oh, that I like. I like this bit. Let's see if we can get that bigger so that we can frame that. I like that, don't you? I think that is pretty. There's a lot of stuff going on. But the frame isn't, or it's not big enough for a frame. Let's see if we can do something. And fill in there. Now it is. So that's it. When I clean this up, guys, I'm going to be doing a resin pour on top of that round one you saw me make a couple of weeks ago. And I'm going to finish that one off. I already made a tent to put it under, you know, one of those dust tents. Yeah, that looks pretty. Look at that. That is really nice. I'm gonna keep that. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Love you all to pieces. And I'll show you the resin thing, although it's not really interesting, but maybe it is. Who knows? See you in a bit. Love you to pieces.